Hey everybody, today I'm doing a screencast video on my Kahoot that I made for some of my assessment tools for online. So first I'm going to pull it up. So I'm already logged in my Kahoot. You can see that I have all my questions created. I have my 5 total that are relating to my theme and my certain objectives. You can see that I've also added imagery over here, so I have pictures relating to each one. So I can also look over here. I can see how the favorites, if people liked it. I can see how many plays it's got, and I can see how many players are going in. I really like this tool because it's pretty easy to use. It's easy to edit. It's easy to edit. I can add imagery. I can make my own answers. I can make my own questions. I can even pick how many right answers or wrong answers they are. As you can see, like this one's the wrong answer, but you can see I have to click on the ones that are the right answer. So when the quiz is done, the kids can get the right answer and be able to use that as a study tool. So I really like this too, because I can come up here, I can click all these different question types that I want to use: quiz, true or false, type answer, puzzle, even get polls on here for it. I can do a time limit so that people have so long to answer each question. I have a point system that I could do where some stuff that is requires more to it, you get more points, and some stuff you don't get any points. I really like you can also change the imagery. I can upload images. I can use saved images. Even the images can be a part of the question. I really like this. Simple to use. It only took me a few minutes to really get it going. I really like it because you can really get through all your settings. You can label it. You can add a description. You can save it to different areas. You can see if people need a visibility loop. I can even paste YouTube links so that people have stuff to look after. And I can even edit the music if I like as well. Just make it extra fun for my students. So I think Kahoot's a really, really easy way to let the students have fun and to be able to use it to have as a study tool and to just be able to use it in the future. And it gives them a great way to have some fun with their peers along the way in the class. So this is how I use Kahoot as a study and as an assessment tool to track my students and get quick and easy feedback and information and move on with the lessons and material I have for them. So I encourage you to use it. It's a great tool. Thank you guys. Have a good one.